Okay. Sorry, Dami, you were saying? Question 2, okay. Can you open up question 2 from the homework? Actually, I'll open it here too. So what was the problem with number and 7? 2 and 7? Yeah, great. So what was the problem with 2? Like, I mean, you got the answer but it didn't match, or you couldn't get the answer, or...
Yeah, like I was confused when I saw
Okay. Which lesson? Physics workbook. Okay. Which lesson are we looking at?
the equation of
Okay. Okay. Let's have a look. A child throws a ball up. Can you all see? Yeah, number 2 here. A child throws a ball upwards in a vertical direction at a speed of 15.6. Son, what's English? You know. Okay, fine. Then no speaking when I'm speaking. Right. Let's see, I forgot what I was saying. A child. This is not working. Maybe it's too cold. There we go. Okay. A child throws a ball upwards at a speed of 15.6, and the child's hand is 1.23 above the ground. What's the maximum height? Okay. So for the first part, what's the U? 15.6. V? 0A. T and S we don't know. And S is U. No, I should go with V squared. V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. Yeah. So the S will be 15.6 squared over 19.62. What's that, Dami? You didn't have this? What is it, Jason?
12.4.
So the maximum height is 12.4 plus what?
1.23.
Good job.
13.63.
13.63.
Yeah.
Okay. Was that part okay, Jeremy? You don't seem sure. Okay, fine. B. The time taken for the ball to hit the ground. So what's the U? 15.6. The V we don't know. The A minus 9.81. The T we don't know, but the S we do know. What is it?
Minus 1.23.
Yeah. So what formula will we use? S equals U T plus a half A T squared. So we get 4.905 T squared plus, minus 15.6 T minus 1.23. What's wrong? Equal 0. Is that right? Quadratic with 2 answers.
Yeah.
What's the answer?
3.26.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's okay, Danny? Yeah? Okay. In a moment, we'll do number 7. If you need to write that down, please do. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You can write on the page?
Yeah.
Useful.
This is very useful. useful.
Yeah. Oh, good. I have the answer here uploaded already, so I can quickly check it. Ba-ba-bum. That is correct. All right. Shall we do number 7 now? Shall we do number 7? Yes? Okay. This one, is it? A racing car is travelling along a horizontal track. The car starts from rest, accelerates with 4.5 meters per second squared for 15 seconds, reaches maximum speed, then travels at speed for 20 seconds before decelerating uniformly until it comes to rest. Okay. Now, really, this one's kind of interesting because I put this question in the lesson on kinematic equations, although really you should go in the lesson with time-velocity graphs, velocity-time graphs. However, strangely, they don't ask you to draw a velocity-time graph in this question, do they? No. No. So anyways, let's look at the first stage, the maximum speed. So, let's have a look at the first part. A. What's the U? 0. What's the V? We don't know. What's the A? 4.5. The T is 15. The S we don't know. And what did they want? The V, wasn't it? Yeah. So V equals U plus AT should do it, right? V equals U plus AT. And so what do I get for the V? Okay, what's happening in the B part? Uh-oh. Oh, so now we just want the S. Probably the easiest thing to do would be U plus V over 2 times T. So now we have the second part. What's that, please? 500.6? 506.25, is it? Yeah? So 506 meters. Right, that's part B. Part C, or we're part 3. The time to decelerate from its maximum speed. Okay, so it's going at its maximum speed. It needs to go to rest. But we must need another piece of information. What do they give us? They give it, yeah, minus 5.6. We want the T. Alright, V equals U plus AT. So what's the T here? 67.5 over 5.6. What do we get? Okay. And finally, what's the total distance travelled by the car? So, let's just get the S here. What's that? S equals UT plus a half AT squared, or maybe I should do V squared equals U squared plus 2A S. So S equals 67.5 squared over 2 times 5.6. What's that now? Yeah? You're giving me this, Marwan?
that's just the rest part.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
What you get?
400 times 6. Okay.
You're right. So in total, the total distance travelled, the total S has three parts. There's the 506.25 at the start. There's the 406.8 at the end. But there's also a middle journey where it travels at a constant speed for 20 seconds. So that would be plus 20 times 67.5. So it accelerates, uniform, decelerates. So I just have to add the three together. Yeah. Was that okay, Danny? Yeah. What?
2,260.
Say again?
2,260.
2260 meters. Yeah, or 2.26 km.
Can according to graph to calculate?
Say again?
Can I according to graph to calculate?
Yep. Yep.
It's right.
Oh, yes.
Should I explain why I
No,
calculate?
your choice.
Mm.
Yeah. The only reason, Ming, I didn't do the graph here is because the question never asked me to draw a graph. So I wonder if I look at the answer if they drew a graph. Did they? No. No, graph is fine. Graph is fine. I just thought it was a little strange that they didn't ask for a graph. Okay. Yeah. Any other problems with this? Number 5 I can see is very similar to number 3 and number 4 and number 1. They're all kind of similar, aren't they? Alright.